So this is so simple, it's silly, y'all, but I think when the watermelon starts coming in, you know, when they're at their peak and sweet and delicious, I think you'll love this salad. So I'm gonna use 4 cups of diced or cubed watermelon. I have 3 ears of corn that we actually grilled it on a gas grill, and we just kind of charred it. You can see some of the dark little edges like right there. I love seeing that charred kernel corn. And we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of cilantro. And I didn't pack that down, so I'm gonna use every bit of that. So that is it, y'all. How's that for an easy summer salad? And it's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Now, I guess if you wanted to, you could add some more things to it. But I love the simpleness of this. Perfect if you're having a barbecue outside. I've got to get me a little plate. Now I'm going to add a little salt to mine because being an old Southern girl, I eat salt on my watermelon.
Paula, this is going to air during Father's Day week, and this would be a great Father's Day side dish that somebody...
Yeah. I mean...
Mom and a child can make that.
Oh, this is a great dish for a child to make for his father on Father's Day. Now, let's see. All I need is some utensils. I think Daddy would love the charcoal corn. That is so good. It's so refreshing. And now all we did was char grill 3 ears of a sweet corn. And you can use white or you can use yellow, whatever they're selling is a sweet corn. You just turn it until it starts getting a little dark spots on it. Let it cool and then cut it off the cob and you're there. This makes it so good. In fact, it makes it so good. A little more. So happy summer eating. Happy Father's Day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.